Hello guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, we want to talk about derivatives of exponential functions. First, let's look at e to the u. If we have e to the u where eu is a function of x, the derivative of e to the u is equal e to the u times u prime, means the derivative of u. For example, the derivative of e to the x is equal e to the x times the derivative of x is 1. So e to the x is only function that is equal to both its derivative and its integral. Okay? Or the derivative of e to the 2x plus 1 is equal e to the 2x plus 1 times the derivative of 2x plus 1 is 2. So we have 2 times e to the 2x plus 1. Or the derivative of e to the sine of x is equal e to the sine of x times the derivative of sine of x is cosine of x. So we have cosine of x times e to the sine of x. The derivative of minus 2 times e to the x squared minus 1. So we have minus 2 times e to the x squared minus 1 times the derivative of x squared minus 1 is 2x. So we have minus 2 times 2x is minus 4x times e to the x squared minus 1. In this problem, minus 2 is acting as a coefficient. Okay? The derivative of 3e to the square root of x, so we have 3 times e to the square root of x times the derivative of the square root of x is equal 1 over 2 the square root of x. So we have 3 over 2 the square root of x e to the square root of x. Now let's look at a to the u, where a is a constant and u is a function of x. So we have the derivative of a to the u is equal a to the u times ln of a times the derivative of u. For example, the derivative of 3 to the x squared is equal 3 to the x squared ln of 3 times the derivative of x squared is equal to x. For example, the derivative of 4 to the sine of x is equal 4 to the sine of x times ln of 4 times the derivative of sine of x is cosine of x. Okay? Or the derivative of 5 to the secant of x is equal 5 to the secant of x times ln of 5 times the derivative of secant of x is secant of x times tangent of x. That's it.